India being a mix of diverse cultures and family size makes it different and unique in eating preferences and habits. This creates a need for a kitchen appliance that perfectly suits those specific individual needs and budget. That is why Kent has developed the widest range of smart, versatile and most advanced mixer grinders and blenders. Let's take a glimpse. The first from the range are the extra heavy-duty mixer grinders and blenders like the 1200-watt Kent Superpower grinder and blender, 2500-watt digital power blender and grinder, and most powerful 3000-watt turbo grinder and blender. These are the toughest machines that operate at an amazing high speed of up to 30,000 RPM and can perform the heaviest of kitchen operations. Now make and enjoy your favorite smoothie or ice-crushed coffee, soy milk, or even grind raw turmeric right at home with super ease. In fact, you can make a hot cup of soup with Kent's unique turbo grinder and blender. These super machines come with super strong 1.5mm extra sharp rust-proof blades of 304 stainless steel, big capacity robust jars, spill-proof lids, and a host of exceptional features like digital display, multiple preset menu functions, overheating cutoff mechanism, and couplers for low noise operations. Then we have Kent's mid-range of mixer grinders that consist of 800-watt Kent Smart MG with 3 SS jars, 750-watt Kent True Mix and 550-watt Rapid Mix that come in attractive colors and are perfect entry-level mixer grinders. All these are powered by a 100% copper-wound motor, SS spill-proof jars, and heavy-duty stainless steel blades for all your daily blending, grinding, and mixing needs. Finally, Kent's unique hand blender range is ideal for nuclear families or lighter daily operations. It consists of Kent Smart Nutri Blender, a compact yet powerful 450-watt blender that operates at an exceptional 20,000 RPM and has robust 304 stainless steel blades. Kent Hand Blender SS has stylish stainless steel body, super strong 400-watt motor, detachable shaft, and variable speed function for hot and cold blending. And the versatile 300-watt Kent Hand Blender comes with 5 speed options, multiple attachments including one for batter making. This Kent Hand Blender also comes in a 150-watt variant for lighter operations. To enhance those South Indian taste buds, Kent now has a powerful 150-watt wet grinder that's first of its kind in the market with a protective cover. Now wet grind fresh South Indian cuisines like dosa, idli or vada batters, or knead atta and scrap coconut with safety and convenience at home. Quality has always been the hallmark of all Kent products. That is why they offer up to 2 years of warranty on overall product and up to 5 years on motor. So choose from the vast range of next-gen mixer grinders from Kent and blend, shake, churn, whip, grind, or simply mix the way you want to. Kent, trusted by millions.